If you grew up in the 70s or you're familiar with the feeling that the roof of your mouth was destroyed after eating breakfast, you're likely familiar with Captain Crunch. And today we're taking a look at a Funko Pop Ad Icons Pop. This is going to be the Funko Shop exclusive Jean LaFoote. Let's take a peek. So interestingly enough, this character was from the commercials that aired promoting Captain Crunch. Let's pop it open. Fun fact, did you know the character that voiced Jean LaFoote also was Bullwinkle? Alright. There we are. Mr. Jean LaFoote. The sword has like a blue tint to it. Cool hat. I like his stubble. I can relate. And that is Jean LaFoote. Thanks for watching.